Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
How many companions were martyred in the Battle of Badr? Your options are option A 14 or option B 16. The right answer is option A 14. How many companions were martyred in Battle of Uhud? Your options are option A 85 or option B 100. The right answer is option A 85. What is the date in which Battle of Badr was fought? Your options are option A 27th of Ramadan or option B 17th of Ramadan. The right answer is option B 17th of Ramadan. Which was the beginning of 6-year war between Muslims and Quraysh Arab? Your options are option A Battle of Uhud or option B Battle of Badr. The right answer is option B Battle of Badr. Who led the Battle of Trench from Quraysh? Your options are option A Abu Jahl or option B Abu Sufyan. The right answer is option B Abu Sufyan. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Mursalat? Your options are option A 28 or option B 50. The right answer is option B 50. How many ayats are there in Surah An-Naba? Your options are option A 40 or option B 32. The right answer is option A 40. How many ayats are there in Surah An-Naziyat? Your options are option A 38 or option B 46. The right answer is option B 46. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Abasa? Your options are option A 44 or option B 42. The right answer is option B, 42. How many ayats are there in Surah At-Takwir? Your options are option A, 29 or option B, 39. The right answer is option A, 29.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.